Healthy ketogenic snack options. Snacking between meals can help moderate hunger and keep you on track while following a ketogenic diet. Because the ketogenic diet is so filling, you may only need 1 or 2 snacks per day, depending on your activity level. Here are some excellent, keto-friendly snack options. Almonds and cheddar cheese. Half an avocado stuffed with chicken salad. Guacamole with low-carb veggies. Trail mix made with unsweetened coconut, nuts and seeds. Hard-boiled eggs. Coconut chips. Kale chips. Olives and sliced salami. Celery and peppers with herbed cream cheese. Dip berries with heavy whipping cream. Jerky cheese roll-ups. Parmesan crisps. Macadamia nuts. Greens with high-fat dressing and avocado. Keto smoothie made with coconut milk, cocoa and avocado. Avocado cocoa mousse. Though these keto snacks can maintain fullness between meals, they can also contribute to weight gain if you're snacking too much throughout the day. It's important to eat the appropriate number of calories based on your activity level, weight loss goal, age and gender. If you're unsure how many calories you should be eating, check out this article to learn how to calculate energy needs.